Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Hello, welcome to my channel. I'm Kudret. Today we have a new device from the Voopoo. As you see here, Doric 60. It says all the extra information on the box, airflow, puff button, and everything, and adjustable wattage it says, but it's not like that. It's like a kind of mechanical mode. All the social media, as you can see here. I have a space gray model here. Let's open the box. Inside we got our device, and under the package we got some small package up here. If we open this package here, we got here a Type-C charging cable, as you see it, and then we got two different coil and one user manual. If you want, you can read this one. Especially with this kind of mode, there is no wattage control or something. Yeah, you can control it like a three different one. I must record you about to read the user manual. All the details up here if you want. There's a two coils, like I say. One of them is the 0.20 ohm and other one is a 0.30 ohm coils is coming with it. This is the box inside. If we come to on our device up here, we can put on the side. It's really nice and small. It's not that big device at all. Here, as you see on the front, Doric sign up here, power button, and there is a 3 indicator light. As you see here, we will come on that one lights. That is most important thing from this mode. And the back side, you see here Type-C charging cable. Of course, it's fast charging. On the other side is the Voopoo, you see it on that side, and under it, as you see, some rubber kind of things here for the when you put on the table, it's not gonna fall up. I don't have any problem like this. I've been using this almost 2 weeks now. 25 milliampere battery inside this one built in, of course. And here's our airflow 360 airflow. As you see, there is no stopper or something, and there is a small bit, as you see here, one small hole. If you want really tight or empty using this device, you can use like this to opening all full side like this. On the both side is same time is turning. Depends on which coil or how you would like to use the device. As you see here, under the all the magnetic and everything, this works really well. You know, the Voopoo is well, all the strong magnetic. And here is another things. You can use this one 4.0 ml liquid capacity of this pot here. I can tell that to you. And here is new old devices from TPPX from the maybe you remember a couple of videos before. As you see here, TPPX, you can use this device as well if you want, or old school I call. As you see here, PNP coils. Of course, this Doric also using PNP coils. You can take this separately, and you can use this one as well, or 510 connector. You can use another atomizer top of it as well. There's a lot of going on here. You can use all the pod system from the Voopoo, PNP, TPPX, TPP coil, not the coils like a pod, because as you know, TPPX coils are much bigger than the PNP coils. As you see here, I can show you like this. If you want, we can open this 0.20 ohm. I've been using that 0.20 ohm coils, of course. As you see here, PNP coils, of course, a lot smaller than TPP coils here, but you can use all of them if you want, or you can use with the 510 connector under it. Do you remember this pot from the Voopoo or from the Doric? You can use on this one as well. There's a lot going on. You can do how you like. It is not different to do. If we come on the device here, 5-click turning on the device. As you see here, 3 light is going on, 1 2 3, and here is the green light is coming on. That is mean green light is the middle one, they call it like that. There is a max 60 watt from this device. There is a 3 different mode is coming level, like I say. This is the, if you click 3 times, as you see here, color is changing. That is mean blue light lower, green light mid, and a white light high level is mean that one. And if you see this key controller, it is for the battery light. If you see 3 lights is turning on, as you see here, 3 lights is on, that is mean up to 60% to 100% your battery life. If you do it like with the 2 light, it is under 65 till 30%, and if you see the just 1 light is under 30% till the 0, and this means you need to charge your device. Like I say, there's a depends on the coils, of course. There's a 0.20, 0.30, 0.15, but 0.15 is little bit risky. They are not risky, I can tell you. As you see here, I can put my TPPX coil here, that is 0.15 ohm. If I put this on, as you see here, is using it, but this is the max 60 watt. I don't know if you get enough power from it, but you can of course use it. Is not a problem about that. This device is, like I say, max 60 watt, is working 3.2 volt till 4.2 volt, depends on your coil, 0.20, 0.30 or MTL coil is all doing it himself, and it is really good. And you can change it here as well, highest level or lowest level or middle level, you can do it all yourself. I think that's it, all the device. If you want, we can do some size comparison with this one. As I put that Doric X Pro is next to it. Of course, this is with the 18650 and 2700. If I can put another one next to it, which is Doric X Plus, which is also 18650, as you see here, is almost the same level. Of course, you can put a 510 connector on this one, and then you can use your all atomizer as well. If you want, we can put some coil in it. I'm gonna use still that 0.20 ohm. I'm gonna put in, and then we will fill it up. As you see here, coil is inside, and then if we put it up this one, as you see here, like I say, 4.5 ml liquid capacity. Some people are saying to me that is not 4.5 ml because of the AU rules. Some of the pots are 2 ml liquid capacity. As you see here, I have another pot here. This is the 2 ml because of AU, but I have here 4.5 ml liquid capacity one. Here I put some coil in liquid inside, and yep, we let it wait a little bit, and then we will vape, and then we will talk about it more if you want. Yeah, that was the Doric 60. As you see here, is really nice compact mods. Let's vape. I have a 0.20 ohm inside of this one, and then I have a green light on. Green light is mean medium, middle or something, not like high or lowest one. Let's vape. I have a airflow is full open. I'm gonna put a little bit down of the airflow. Yeah, first of all, I just want to say with the Voopoo device, you know, all PMP coils and everything, there is not a problem at all about it. It is really nice flavor, really nice things. And then this is like especially what I like it from it. You can use all the TPPX and the PMP coils and everything, all the different ports as well. 510 connector, you can put your own MTL or normal atomizer as well on top of it. There is no problem at all. 2500 milliampere power battery, and this one is really nice, long, all day long. I don't have any problem to using about it. I've been trying that as well, and not a problem at all. And you can use all your different coils and everything. If you have an old device from the Voopoo and everything, all the coils, ports and everything, there is not a problem at all. You can choose it between all of them. Yeah, what you can say about the Voopoo devices is really nice, not a problem at all. Like I say, here it is, look, is really nice one. There is a rubber in under it and everything, and a click button is not a problem at all. And then also you can use it this one without to popping like a how you say, without the button as well. There's no problem as well, but I couldn't find anything like a on the user manual I've been reading as well, but I couldn't find internet, not many information about it as well. Maybe you can turn it off that button or like that, how you want it, but I don't have any problem with it. In my pocket as well, there is no problem. As you see here, is a little bit out. That power button is not a problem at all. You can use without a button or with a button, is all up to you. All in all, is really nice device. I don't have any problem. I've been using 0.15 norm as well, but as I say, max 60 watt. This depends on you how you like it, like a little bit more wattage or a little bit warmer vape and everything. This is max 60 watts. Yeah, out of all is really nice device. I can recommend it to all of you. I don't have any problem. I don't have any leaking problem as well. 0.20 ohm coils, I've been having not a problem at all. Yeah, it's really nice. Give it a try, don't waste of time. Thank you very much for watching me. Today we have a new device from Doric 60. I hope you enjoy it. If you enjoy it, you know where is the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to show me your all you like the videos and you want more about them. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself.